Morning everybody who joined me today on day one of the France trip. Currently on my way to meet all my friends and then we will be heading to Folkestone to catch the tunnel. I'm going to keep it brief because I have one memory card and I want the whole trip to be in France basically. I don't want to waste time where I can record already. So I will catch you at the Eurotunnel. Peace out. So boys and girls, made it to the Eurotunnel. Fairly painless process so far. Update you when we're on the train. What is up guys? Update for you all. We are currently heading out of Troyes. So we spent a day's riding yesterday to get to Troyes. You may correct me if I'm wrong on the pronunciation of that. It was like 350 miles our day yesterday. It was all motorway, so I didn't feel the need to record any of it. Today we're heading down to Geneva. We're just coming out of the city. Hopefully in for some good roads today, especially towards the end of the day. There's lots of bikers on this road, so fingers crossed. One thing I will say about the French roads is just how nice they are. I mean, they are silky smooth. It's actually a bit weird to come onto the French roads because you're so used to this rough tarmac in the UK, which is just shit. And then you come over here and it's beautiful. It's just super smooth. I mean, look at this. I don't know if this camera really picks up how smooth and nice these roads are maintained. But yeah, the UK needs to take note of this, so we don't have to go to France all the time. We can just go to Scotland. But yeah, you do have to pay a couple of tolls on the way down, but it's a very nice, ride if I'm honest. It's casual. You can just put the cruise control on, or if you're one of these jigsaw boys behind me, you can't put your cruise control on. But yeah, nice and easy. A few hours. You stop every hour or so, and yeah, the sun's out. The weather system over here is a bit strange. I've not been through a storm for about 30 seconds and then into super humid sun again. That is an interesting... What are these guys wearing? This is something I'm not aware of. Oh, we had a cross on, that's interesting. But anyway guys, I will not bore you with this. But if you're interested in going to Troyes, I would 100% recommend. Super nice little town, really old cobbled streets with old buildings and architecture. It's really nice, and there's so many restaurants. We ate at a steakhouse called, I think it was called Hippopotamus, and honestly it was one of the best steaks I've had. And we had a starter, a main, and a beer each, and you know, it came to about 30 euros a head, so thoroughly recommend that if you're heading towards that sort of area anytime soon or planning your trip. I will catch you soon. I'm gonna sign off for a bit until I get to the more interesting roads where I can record some actual juicy knee down action. Take care, see you soon. Craigie boy and his jigsaw. So we've just, I think we're riding through the region where some champagne's being made. We just went past a giant statue of champagne. It's weedy time. Oh, these roads, they're so good. Just wanted to show you the scenery, really. This is so nice. I can see exactly why people come to France. Place. What some roads. I haven't even got to the mountains yet, and and that is what we're seeing. Very nice indeed. Oh, that is pretty cool. Some French military memorabilia. Lots of agriculture around here. Lots of one thing I've noticed about France is just how there's a lot of derelict buildings. It's very quiet too. Not many of the buildings seem to be inhabited. Adds to the je ne sais quoi, I suppose. It's really interesting. Really cool place. More luscious roads to enjoy. On our way down to Geneva. Torres? I think it's called Torres. Troyes. Deer warning, that's not ideal. When you're doing whatever we're doing, 80 or 70 or trying to get used to kilometres an hour, it's one thing. But do that thing, it's like learning another language where you hear like bonjour, and it's like, bonjour means hello, and you go, okay, hello. Obviously not with bonjour. Bonjour is pretty obvious, but with a lot of other things, you have to sort of convert it back to your own language, and then you will understand how to say it. That looks interesting. Very flat. There's a lot of little settlements. You have a nice bit of road, little settlement, nice bit of road, little settlement. Check out these buildings. Really cool. So it's something like Dracula. Look at that. Probably 150k euros to buy that. I obviously don't know the actual price, but you get my drift. Have no idea where we are, but check out this place. Super lovely town. Just reaching the mountains. What I love about France is these winding mountain roads. So nice, you get a nice view, you get these awesome little roads. Down Haven up here. Lake Geneva. Yes, glad I'm recording. Finally caught one on camera. Decent view on camera. I keep going past these really nice views, but this is Lake Geneva. We're coming into Lake Geneva. There's a lot of mountains ahead, which is the Alps. I'd love to tell you where I am right now, but well, I suppose Geneva is the closest I can tell you. On our way to the hotel, about 30 miles left. So far roads in France have been amazing. Oh, mountains sound awesome, especially with a cross-plane engine. And that Porsche is beautiful. Look at that. Also, another thing that French bikers do that I've taken note of is they do the peace sign, which I totally don't get. Just nudge your head. When I'm going around a corner and trying to concentrate, I don't want to be taking my hand off to do the little peace sign. I just want to nod my head. It's much easier. Lots of stylish people around here. Moved over to let us past. Nice. Motorcycle etiquette. Everyone seems to like the bikes around here. And there's a lot of bikes around Lake Geneva. See? Peace sign.
Hey, you want to end the show with a to be continued meme?
I don't even know what that